100 trillion neutrinos literally pass through your body every second. How is it we never feel this? There are a few different reasons for this. The first one is that neutrinos are electrically neutral, unlike something like the electron, which carries negative charge. If you've ever shocked yourself on a doorknob, for example, that's an electromagnetic interaction. There's a transfer of electrons. You definitely feel that, right? Neutrinos don't have that since they're neutral. There are actually only two fundamental forces by which neutrinos interact, and that's gravity and the weak nuclear force. Now, gravity is completely driven by mass, right? For example, the Earth is very massive, that's why it pulls you down, but you can still jump up off the floor, right? So in the grand scheme of things, gravity is relatively weak. The highest mass the neutrino can have that we know of is about 10 to the negative 37 kilograms. That's tiny, right? Tiny mass, that means that for neutrinos, gravity is basically non-existent. So that leaves a weak nuclear force, which in everyday energies, as the name suggests, there really is a very small chance of weak force interactions happening. To give you an idea of this, the chances that a neutrino interacts with the body of a person in their whole lifetime is about 1 in 4. The folks at Symmetry Magazine ran a nice piece on this. But that means that 3 out of 4 people will go their whole lives without experiencing a neutrino interaction via the weak force in their body. When these do happen, chances are you're never going to notice because they're really mostly scattering events, which means a neutrino is just going to bounce off an atom and go about its way. I hope that makes sense and is educational, and thanks for watching.